GM fam, we're very excited to announce the official launch of the first 3 videos in the Vyper tutorial. This has been a project several months in the works to get this far, and we've still got a bunch more work to complete the entire series, but we're finally able to release the first 3 videos we have so far, and they're a beauty. The topic of this tutorial is particularly timely. We're going to be coding from scratch a crv-backed stablecoin using Vyper. It's sort of perfect. If you can't wait for Curve to release a stablecoin, now you can just release your own. You have all the tools you need to build your own from scratch and launch it yourself. Naturally, this tutorial stablecoin is going to be a little bit simpler than an official stablecoin, but it's still a really fun exercise that shows off the power and simplicity of Vyper. The lessons are designed to be accessible to beginners, so if you're interested in picking up smart contract programming, why not start with Vyper now? Vyper's got some serious tailwinds. Vitalik just issued a testimonial for Vyper, Titanoboa is roaring, 3.4 got released, and the community has never been more excited about Vyper. Plus, Vyper can do anything Solidity can do now. It's more gas efficient, so why not take the plunge? We're very much looking forward to hearing your thoughts, your questions, your comments about this new Vyper tutorial. Stay safe, friends.